We do a lot of virtual workshops here at Thinker. So I feel like we weigh in pretty well when it comes to these virtual tips and virtual training. And content on virtual workshops is very different to in-person workshops. You've got a small screen, people are trying to fit many tabs, and we just want to make sure that the process of virtual learning is really clutter-free, it's really simple, it's easy. Um, we also love doing cameras off partway through. If we're doing like a 2 hour workshop, it's nice to give people time to fill out their reflection form with their cameras off for just 5 minutes to give them a break, to allow them to really go inside and think about their questions in their own private space. You can also diversify engagement as well, and thinking about the different ways that you can engage. The chat bar is a really good one, especially for people who are a little bit more introverted. They might not like coming off camera, coming off mic and speaking to a whole room of people. That might not be within their comfort zone, but they might feel really comfortable throwing all of their thoughts into chat and feeling really engaged that way. We can also use those collaborative technologies like mural boards and brainstorming boards or mind mapping tools as well to get them to think in a really divergent way and think creatively while they're digesting the learning. And the multimodal content, we can also throw in live captions and AI generated summaries in Zoom are really great ways to support learning retention, but they actually also offer multi modes of digestion as well.